Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Google Docs tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to superscript or subscript text in Google Docs. This is actually quite simple. I first open a document in Google Docs, and here I already find text that I can superscript or subscript. At first we will look how to superscript text. To do this I select the text and then press the shortcut Ctrl:. And we can already see that the text is now superscripted. I can also undo this. It is similar with the subscripting of text. To do this, I select the text and press a similar shortcut, namely Ctrl:. If I don't want to use shortcut, I can also find the corresponding function under Format and Text. And here we find Superscript and Subscript. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.